Hi, welcome to the Cricut EasyPress SE model. This one here I've got is the 9 by 9 inch model, and it comes in taupe. It also comes in the 12 by 10 inch, and that is in a blue color. So you've got the same buttons as your other models. You've got your on and your off, you've got your temperature, your time, your increase, decrease, and your warm-up button, which also is your go button. So if we turn this on and you've not used them before, you can do a long press to change between Fahrenheit and Celsius, or a short press, it'll flash. Once it's flashing, you can increase or decrease, and same with your time. It comes with your insulated base to protect your work surface when it's not in use. And you'll notice on this one, it has no USB port, so there's no need to register this machine. You basically turn it on and just get crafting. It's lighter in weight, but that doesn't interfere with the pressing. It's still a great pressing. You've got your ergonomic handle, which you can use with both hands to get a good pressure on your press. Now this model doesn't come with Bluetooth, so you will use your Cricut heat guide, which you can use on your phone, tablet or PC. Now I'll put the link to the Cricut heat guide in the comments for you, so you can easily bookmark that. Select your machine that you want to use, select between the list of materials and your base, whatever that may be, say if this is a t-shirt, and click apply, and it goes through your temperatures, which you can change between Fahrenheit and Celsius, all your supplies you need, preparation and application, and also aftercare. Now the size difference, if we can show you these two, this is the EasyPress 3 in the 12 by 10, so the new SE 12 by 10 will be the same size as this, and it's great with its large pattern. You can use it for large hoodies and blankets or big canvases, extra large t-shirts, things like this. And your 9 by 9 is excellent for the majority of your projects, between t-shirts and canvases and all sorts of mid-sized projects. It's a great size. So it's great to have a light version of the EasyPress, and the EasyPress SE is great, and it comes out on the Friday the 13th of February at Harvey Norman and Spotlight. Thanks for watching.